Hey friends, Josh Staten here with Mount Comfort RV. We just got in a 2021 31 TSF for the rental fleet. So I'm going to take you through that today and show you everything we offer with it. I know some of you guys rent from year to year, from annual trips and things like that. So the floor plan's changed a little bit and we'll show you all that on the inside. Coming down the outside here, one thing we've been getting asked about year after year after year after year: when are we going to have a TV on the outside? We got you a TV on the outside. That'll be nice for the tailgaters watching it underneath your awning. You see here that we have out. All of ours comes with awnings. Just down this side, storage compartments. For the most part here, pretty good storage. The other side there'll be one or two I'll show you, but a lot of that's like for your utility stuff, your hoses, your things like that. So just again, tons of storage. There is an outlet here. If you need some power on the outside, obviously you got to be plugged in or generator running to put power there. And then we got one here. And you'll see Tony looks in there. This will pass through for you. So if you're taking the cornhole games, the folding tables, the chairs, whatnot, that'll work great. And then what they've done now too is the rentals now have magnet latches. No more of the crow's feet that you can rip off and get charged for when you break it. So we got magnets now. Coming around the back side here, unleaded fuel does favor the driver's side a little bit, but it is on the back side, so you don't have to worry about it being on which side. Another upgrade this year with the 2021s in the rental, we're 50 amp now. So we have two airs upstairs, but everything will be 50 amps, so you'll need that when you go to the campgrounds. Here's your dump station area. We'll go through that. We've got a dump hose in the bumper. I'll show you that when you pick up. But you do have a nice little outside shower there to, clean off the sand or whatever when you go to the beach. And these are just water fills. We'll show you city water, fresh water, cable TV hookup. We'll go on those on pickup too. Coming down this side, there's a small compartment there for you to store stuff. And then like in here, you're just going to get into the generator, so you won't have to get in there. We can start that from the inside. This will be your LP tank. That'll be full when you pick it up. And then you've got a small one here. So that's just a quick outline of the 31 TS 2021 Coachmen Pursuit. We'll go inside and take a look here in a minute. Okay guys, we're inside the 2021 31 TS Coachmen Pursuit that's in our rental fleet. First thing I want to show you is this back bedroom. Everyone asks, can I get to the bed when it's going down the road? On this particular floor plan, this model, you'll see this is a folding bed. You cannot sleep back here while you're going down the road. It's just the model and the way it's set up. But we'll show you what it looks like when it's opened up. Hey guys, we're in the front of the 31 TS 2021 Coachmen Pursuit. I'm going to show you up here the bed. Again, for you guys that's rented from me before, you know this has been an electric bed. They've changed it a little bit. So you got two little levers here. This just drops down right here. And then you just pull this over here like this. And then we got a ladder to get up there. We'll show you that ladder when you guys pick up. There is a net too here. Mama's worried about their baby rolling out on the floor. We got a net here. Don't worry, Mama, they'll bounce. So again, we have two air conditioners in this thing. So we got one right above me here in the living room area, and then the other one is in the back, which we'll show you once we get back there. Over here in the door area, that's your controls. That's where everything is. Your awning controls up there. You've got all your water levels you can check. You just hit a button, it shows it. Water pump, electric heat, gas heat, generator start, everything's there. We'll go through it when you pick up. Down below, there's some light switches throughout the coach. We'll go through those again when you pick up. So coming through the kitchen, obviously you got tons of storage here for you. You've got two of those up there. You got a microwave, just like your microwave at home. You've got your cook burner stove. You just lift that up. You're going to hit your button, turn it on, hit the spark, it goes. We do have an oven in here. I'll show you how to light that. That's a pilot light. Another thing too for you guys that rents all the time, we are now at a residential refrigerator. No more propane. So that's kind of exciting for people because it's a bigger refrigerator, deeper, get a lot more stuff in there. dinette and the couch, obviously still making the beds like they always have. We'll go through those. And then you've got two good sized storage areas here for you. Put your stuff in. Coming down through the hallway here, you've got your TV that's on an angle, so it will be visible from the dinette and the couch. And then lastly, everyone's been asking, we got a fireplace. Coming down in the hallway, you got your shower to your right. Over here to the left, you've got your bathroom, your commode. Pretty big, decent sized bathroom for you. And then moving back into the bedroom area where we showed you, here's the bed that's folded up. So once you've run that slide out, you can unfold your bed. And then you've got a king bed. That's another new thing. Everything Class A in the rental department is now a king bed. You've got USB ports, plug-ins on both sides. You can see now Coachmen is also, they're making sure you got a place to hook up your PAP stations. So we've got those in the rentals also. And then on the other side is just tons of storage. You've got a hanging closet there, a hanging closet there. We've even got a hanging closet down there. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge deep drawers. One other thing Coachmen does I think is kind of cool is they always put some storage in behind your TV, so it's easy to get to. And then as I talked about, here's the second air above me, back here in the bedroom. So that's the 2021 31 TS Coachmen Pursuit. This thing's booking fast. I only have one of this floor plan in the fleet, so we're booking fast. So you know your dates, Google your miles round trip, I'll get you a quote. We also sell this unit. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, hit me up. I can help you with that end of it too. Phone number and my email will be on the screen there. That's really it. We're excited to get this thing going in the fleet. So give me a call and we'll get you in this thing.